Found a little baby carcass.
What's up guys? Today I got my 1975 Datsun 280z in here. This car has been sitting for a few years under a tree in my back lot. So today we're gonna pull it in the shop, get her all cleaned up, and assess the car, see what kind of condition it's in, and see if it's restorable or what we're gonna do with it next. Enough said, let's get into the detail. This car was in pretty rough shape and the paint's in really rough shape, so I don't want to use my mitt on it, and it also just needs a little more agitation. So I'm going to use this brush on the entire exterior of the car. And this paint has no clear on it, so it's just base coat, so everything is really just etched into the paint. As you can see on the firewall here, it's blue. This is the original color. This is the color that it came from the factory, and somebody obviously gave it a paint job and painted it this ugly brown. Should we paint this car blue again? Let me know in the comments, or if we should paint it a different color, let me know what color you think. Now that we're all done, finished washing the exterior, let's see what the inside's like. I know there's a lot of mice living in here. I don't know what we got going on in there. So I just got the seats out of this Datsun. Now I'm gonna vacuum this carpet. As you can see, it's a mess in here, and also under the seat there was a mouse nest, and in that mouse nest was a lot of little booze bottles. It looks like these mice were little partiers. So we're gonna do our best on this carpet. More likely it's gonna have to be replaced in the future.
Found a little baby carcass.
Well, that's a wrap for cleaning up the Datsun. If you guys want to see more videos with this car, leave in the comments what we should do with the car, if we should paint it, restore it, or if we should just put a 350 in it. I actually thought it would be kind of cool to sand it all down, make it look like a rat rod. Or do you want to see me try to get that straight six that's in there running? Leave in the comments what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys on the next detail. So after looking over the Datsun, I find that this car is actually in a really good shape. It's not anywhere where it's rotted apart or where it's not savable. We don't have to replace any panels on this car, but we do have some spots like the lower of the doors and the rockers where we have some patchwork. The original rims and hubcaps are in excellent shape for 48 years old. So are the door panels, also the seats. There's only a few tears. The seats are great shape, do not need to be replaced. The dash has a couple cracks, but that's not a big deal. And the carpet has been dyed orange, so that carpet will have to be replaced. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more on this car.